Oh no, that's my. Ah! I'm terrified. Oh no, this is the worst that could happen to my life.
Oh god, motion blur. Oh my god.
Oh, my eyes. Every time I take an airplane, this is what I think is gonna happen.
Oh. You just gotta embrace it.
Unless we die together. Not too bad. Oh.
Oh.
What?
Oh my.
What happened?
Oh, that's disturbing. Oh, hey. Oh my god. There's another living person.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm alive. Oh, look. I found some wine. I'm just kidding. Oh.
Oh, heck yeah.
Oh, someone died here. Oh.
I mean, a lot of people died, to be fair. Oh my goodness.
Oh, look, I collected this from her. This was inside her.
Yeah. I got it from her too. She's so giving, even after death.
Can I kill her? Oh,
Why'd you...
this blood. Ooh.
Why are you getting fascinated?
Oh.
What are you doing?
Oh, look.
What the heck? What the heck are you doing?
I got her clothes. Nice.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to be on this island with you.
No, come here. I treat my friend really well.
I don't know.
Oh, well, but for you because I just got a new meal.